children, how are you? I hope you all safe. This is our lesson video. Today we are going to see about our Rahini Hindi Kitab lesson 10 part 10 Guddi Aur Dant Ke Doctor. This is a Swasthya Parak Kahani, that is very interesting story. I tell this story. What is the theme of the story? First, we brush our teeth twice a day. If we not brush, what happened? That is the matter of this lesson. Let's start our lesson. You take your book, page number 60. You take that book, ma. I read and tell the meaning. You see on the screen also. Guddi aur Dant ke doctor. That is one girl name was girl name is Guddi and dentist, tooth doctor. You listen. एक थी नटखट गुड्डी. दैट मीन्स यह नटखट का अर्थ यह नॉटी गर्ल. उसकी एक आदत सी बन गई थी. शी हैज़ वन हैबिट. व्हाट इज़ दैट? जिस दिन मम्मी पापा की निगाह ना पड़े, निगाह का अर्थ साइड, वह रात को दांत में ब्रश नहीं करती थी. दैट मीन्स when her mummy and daddy not see in a night time, not take care on a night time, she didn't brush her teeth in a night time. This is the habit of that girl Guddi. Now you understand? Is it clear? Next, और कई बार बिस्तर पर ही टॉफी खाते खाते सो जाती थी. What she do know, on night time she ate many chocolates, toffee, and slept in her bed, but not she didn't brush her teeth. That is the problem. गुड्डी सोचती थी कि सुबह तो ब्रश करना ही है, फिर रात में करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. She thought, what is the benefit of brushing in night time? So I will brush in the morning. Consider, she thought and slept. जहाँ तक होता, रात को गुड्डी दांत साफ नहीं करती थी. So as like as गुड्डी didn't brush her teeth at night time. उसकी मम्मी पापा सोचते थे, but her mummy and daddy think about that गुड्डी अब बड़ी हो गई है, अपने दांतों की सफाई खुद कर सकती है. But her mummy and daddy, Guddi's mummy and daddy think that she become a tall, grown-up girl. Then she didn't brush her teeth, so it is not good her health. And again I tell this a meaning. एक थी नटखट गुड्डी, उसकी एक आदत सी बन गई थी. जिस दिन मम्मी पापा के निगाह ना पड़े, पर रात को दांत में ब्रश नहीं करती थे. Once a girl, that girl name was Guddi. She was very naughty girl, naughty girl, and she has one habit, that is the what? She didn't brush her teeth when her mummy and daddy not see in a night time or not take care of night time. So this is the habit of Guddi. So what she did, और तो कई बार बिस्तर पर ही टॉफ़ी खाते खाते सो जाती थी. Not only that, and in at night time she ate many chocolates and toffee after she didn't brush her teeth and slept. गुड्डी सोचते थी कि सुबह तो ब्रश करना ही है, फिर रात में करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. That Guddi was thought that what is the gain of in a brushing night time, so I will brush in a morning, thinking that, and slept. रात को गुड्डी दांत साफ नहीं करती थे, so गुड्डी didn't brush her teeth at night time. इसलिए what happened, her mummy and daddy worries about that girl. Now she was grown up and दांतों की सफाई खुद कर सकती है. So she want to clean her teeth is must. Who think that one? Her mummy and daddy, who's गुड्डी का माता पिता. And you see the next paragraph. You see on the screen, I taught about this. What happened Dear children, we didn't brush our teeth at night time. What happened? Germs and insects are form in our teeth and make a spoiled our teeth. So we lost our teeth. That is the happened. We didn't brush our teeth. So we must brush our teeth twice a day. So you see on the screen that girl didn't brush her teeth night time, so she got a tooth pain. Now you see the next paragraph. वह बड़ी तो हो गई थी. Now गुड्डी was grown up, लेकिन साथ ही लापरवाह और आलसी भी हो गई थी. She was grown up, but at the same time she has very careless and lazy. लापरवाह का अर्थ careless and आलसी का अर्थ lazy. And next one. थोड़े दिन तो उसके आराम से बीते. So the day was passed and take that rest also. लेकिन अचानक ही एक रात गुड्डी के दांत में बहुत दर्द होने लगे. What happened? Suddenly one time she got a pain in her teeth. इतना दर्द की गुड्डी खाना भी नहीं खा पा रही थी. So she has a pain in her teeth and she didn't eat anything. दर्द के मारे गुड्डी रो रही थी. She was crying and weeping, not face to her teeth pain. So she was crying. मम्मी पापा उठकर आए. गुड्डी को बहुत प्यार किया और बोले. So when the गुड्डी was weeping and crying on night time, that her mummy and daddy wake up and asked गुड्डी very kindly and loudly, क्या बात है गुड्डी, ऐसे क्यों रो रही हो? What happened my dear? Why you are crying? Who asked this one? गुड्डी's mummy and father. To whom? गुड्डी. गुड्डी ने अपना हाथ मुख पर रखा और रोते रोते बोली, मेरे दांत में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. Now गुड्डी was replied to her mummy and daddy, I have a pain in my teeth and crying again. The next paragraph. पापा ने कहा, बेटी पहले बताना चाहिए था, अब रात में बताना से क्या फायदा है. Now her Goodie's father replied, dear my dear daughter, already I told in a previous. अब रात में बताने से क्या फायदा? I told in again and again, you please you must brush your teeth at night time, but you told what gain daddy on the time in a previous day. So now what happened to your teeth? It's pain. Why you didn't brush in a night time? Not only that, you ate many chocolates and toffee and slept. So this is the impact of your pain in a tooth pain. So then पापा ने कहा, बेटी पहले बताना चाहिए. My dear, already I told, no, you must brush your teeth in a night time, but you told अब रात में बताना से क्या फायदा है? What is the gain of in a night time we brush our teeth? अब तो सब डॉक्टरों के क्लिनिक भी बंद हो जाएंगे. Now in a night time no doctor is in a clinic, so we will meet in a morning. Now you see the next paragraph. मम्मी लौंग का तेल रुई में लगाकर लाई और गुड्डी के दांतों में लगाते हुए बोली. It was a night time, so Goodie's mother take a long oil from a cotton and applied in her teeth and said to Goodie, Goodie बेटी, तुम दांत अच्छी तरह साफ नहीं करती हो. My dear daughter, my dear Goodie, you didn't brush your teeth in a proper way. देखो दांतों में कीड़े लग गए हैं. So you see in your teeth insects are hollowed. कीड़ों ने दांतों का अंदर से गोखला कर दिया. All the germs, कीड़ों का मतलब भी insects and germs also hollowed in your teeth. अब कल दांतों के डॉक्टर को दिखाएंगे. So we will meet the doctor tomorrow. So you now sleep well. I applied in a oil. In the next paragraph, गुड्डी को रात भर, अम्मा you see on the screen da, after parents, Gooddy's parents and Goody also went to and met the doctor. So doctor check the Goody and apply treat for what is that what I said, pain, teeth pain, applied the medicine. So after what happened in this story we will see in furtherly. You see the next paragraph. ना मॉर्निंग टाइम, गुड्डी को रात भर दर्द के मारे नींद नहीं. सो हर मदर अप्लाइड ऑयल इन हर टीथ बट हर पेन वॉज नॉट लेस. सो गुड्डी को रात भर दर्द के मारे नींद नहीं. सो गुड्डी हैज़ नॉट स्लीप इन अ नाइट टाइम बिकॉज हर टूथ पेन. उसे आज अपनी गलती महसूस हुई. Now only Goody feel his mistake. महसूस का अर्थ feel, गलती का अर्थ mistake. So at the night time when she has got a pain in her teeth, at the time only she felt his mistake. आलस व लापरवाही के कारण उसे कितनी तकलीफ हो रही थी. He thought that this also, careless and laziness is the main reason of my trouble. Who think that? Goody. Who think that one? Goody thought that in her teeth, what is the reason of she got pain? Only careless and laziness. And see the next one. किसी तरह सुबह हुई. However, morning has come. गुड्डी अपनी मम्मी के साथ डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक गई. You see in a before page, I told no. So Gooddy's mummy and her mother went to clinic. And you see the next. किसी तरह सुबह हुई. गुड्डी अपनी मम्मी के साथ डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक गई. मम्मी ने डॉक्टर को गुड्डी के दांत के दर्द के बारे में बताया. When they entered the doctor and told to her problem. What is that? That problem is pain in her teeth, Gooddy's teeth. And next line you see. डॉक्टर गुड्डी को देखकर मुस्कुराकर बोले. Doctor saw that Goody, that girl, and smiled. And he told to that, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? That Goody now replied to doctor, Sneha Verma. That is, वह बोली. डॉक्टर खुश होकर बोले, वाह यह तो बहुत अच्छा नाम है. Now doctor said to Goody, wow, it is a very good name, no, very nice name. अच्छा चलो पहले मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ कि बूढ़े लोगों के दांत मैं कैसे बनाता हूँ. Now doctor said to Goody, please come with me. First I show to you how I can make the old age people's teeth. Who said these words? Doctor. To whom? Goody. The next paragraph. Goody उत्सुक होकर डॉक्टर के साथ उनके कमरे में गए. उत्सुक का अर्थ anxious, that is बेचैन. गुड्डी उत्सुक होकर डॉक्टर के साथ उनके कमरे में गई. Now Goody and doctor along together went to doctor's room. डॉक्टर ने वहाँ रखे दांतों के तरह के सेट दिखाए. Now doctor showed to the many kinds of tooth set and showed to Goodies. And doctor told, फिर उससे बोले, तुम्हें इनमें से कौन से दांत चाहिए? Which kind of set teeth do you want? Who said this one? Doctor. To whom? Goody. Now मुझे क्यों? मेरे मुख में तो दांत है, गुड्डी ने हैरानी से कहा. When the doctor asked to Goody, in which set of tooth do your teeth do you want like that? Suddenly Goody replied, मुझे क्यों? Why not? मेरे मुख में तो दांत है. I have a teeth in my mouth. Goody ने हैरानी से कहा. Now Goody told very suddenly excited. हाँ अभी तो दांत है, लेकिन थोड़ी ही दिनों में तुम्हारे दांत खराब होकर टूट कर गिर जाएंगे. नाउ डॉक्टर told to Goody, yes, I know, now you have a teeth, but after some days, your teeth become spoiled and broke. खराब का अर्थ spoiled, टूट कर का मतलब broke. Who told this one? Doctor to Goody. क्योंकि why that is the broke why that teeth are spoiled and broke? Because क्योंकि तुम रात में ब्रश नहीं करती और मीठा खाकर सो जाती है. Because you didn't brush your teeth at night time and ate many sweets, chocolate and slept. This is the reason of spoiled our teeth and spoiled our teeth. ऐसे भी सभी दांतों में एक एक करके कीड़े लग जाएंगे और दांत सड़कर टूट जाएंगे. डॉक्टर ने समझाते हुए कहा. नाउ डॉक्टर अंडरस्टूड दैट Goody. I say maybe सभी, when we do like that, we ate many chocolates, but at the same time we didn't brush our teeth. What happened in the future? Our teeth broke one by one and spread insects, but we lost our all the teeth. So this one understood to Goody. Who? Doctor. Now you see the next paragraph, next line. नहीं डॉक्टर अंकल, अब मैं रात में भी ब्रश करूंगी और चॉकलेट भी नहीं खाऊंगी. Now when she understood that Goody doctor's speech, now she replied, no doctor uncle, अब मैं रात में भी ब्रश करूंगी. Today onwards, now itself, I brush my teeth at night time and chocolate भी नहीं खाऊंगी. And I also don't eat not eat chocolate. I will not eat chocolate. तब तो ये दांत, गुड्डी ने मुख खोलकर अपने दांत दिखाए, नहीं टूटेंगे ना. So she told like that and opened her mouth. You see doctor, my teeth anyone is broke? Told to doctor Goody. हाँ दब तो नहीं टूटेंगे. When the doctor checked her Goody's teeth and told to Goody, yes, now your teeth is not broken. लेकिन जिन दांतों में कीड़े लग गए, खराब हो गए हैं, उनको भी तो ठीक करना है. Now your what are the teeth are formed in germs and insects. Now I cleaned your teeth. तभी तो दांत में दर्द होना बंद होगा. At the time only, now only your teeth less the pain. Doctor said to Goody. डॉक्टर ने कुर्सी की ओर इशारा करते हुए कहा, स्नेहा तुम यहाँ आकर इस कुर्सी पर बैठो. Now doctor said to Goody, you go and sit on the chair. You show the one chair and you sit here told. Goody झटपट जाकर कुर्सी पर बैठ गई. Goody suddenly very eagerly go and sit on the chair. The next paragraph. देखो ये मशीन है, इससे हम दांतों की सफाई करते हैं. You see these all are machines. इसमें through this machine I will clean your teeth. अब तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ कि हम काम कैसे करते हैं, देखोगी, डरोगी तो नहीं. डॉक्टर गुड्डी को अपने औजार दिखाते हुए बोला. Now doctor showed his instrument. Dear children, when you enter the dentist, some instrument like in a silver, that some machines also is there. So that's why the doctor tell about that goody, you don't fear about these machines and this instrument, because this is very useful to clean your teeth, so you don't fear and don't cry. Who said this word? Doctor to who? Goody. मैं किसी से डरती. Now Goody replied, I don't fear now. Goody साहस से बोली. She told very bravely. साहस का अर्थ bravely. Now you see the next one. अच्छा तो जरा मुख खोलो और जब तक मैं नहीं कहूँगा तब तक मुख बंद मत करना. अच्छा, रेडी, 1 2 3. डॉक्टर मुस्कुराकर बोले. Dear children, when you enter the doctor, some doctors like playingly and said, put her give a treatment for very nicely. Like that, this doctor also told to Goody. Now, are you ready? Open your mouth, smile. Ready? 1 2 3. Like that, the doctor told to Goody and smiled. Now the next paragraph you see. गुड्डी ने झटपट मुख खोल दिया. डॉक्टर ने गुड्डी के दांतों की सफाई करके दांतों के खोखले बाग को भर दिया. नाउ डॉक्टर गिव अ ट्रीटमेंट टू गुड्डीज टीथ एंड द germs insects are removed that his instrument, that machine. वह बिल्कुल नहीं चिल्लाई. बट वॉट हैपेंड that the girl Goody is not shouted, and but what happened? No, some drops coming out from her eyes because she has some pain. No, the next one. दांतों का काम खत्म करके डॉक्टर बोले. When the doctor complete his treatment to Goody, next he doctor told to Goody, तुम बहुत बहादुर लड़की हो. You are a very courageous girl, very brave girl. आओ, मैं तुम्हें एक पैम्पलेट देता हूँ. You come with me, I give one pamphlet. उसे ध्यान से पढ़ना. You must read very carefully that pamphlet. इस पैम्पलेट में चित्र सहित ब्रश करने की तरीके भी लिखते हैं. You see this pamphlet, how to brush our teeth daily. So this is the message in his pamphlet. Doctor told to Goody and give the pamphlet to Goody. Goody बोली, जी अच्छा, मैं इसे जरूर पढ़ूंगी. Now Goody replied to doctor, yes doctor uncle, I will read this pamphlet. Ma, you see on the screen and you see on your book also how to brush our teeth. So in 6 types of picture and some rules also there. So we must follow our when we brush our teeth. Brush करने की सही तरीके. How to brush our teeth in a correct way. You see the first picture. ऊपर दांतों की बाहरी हिस्से में ब्रश ऊपर से नीचे की ओर चलाओ. You see the brush. First you apply the brush in a up and come down. The second one, ऊपरी दांतों के भीतरी हिस्से, inside of the upper teeth. That is we must brush our teeth. The next third picture, नीचे की दांतों की बाहरी भाग के ब्रश नीचे से ऊपर की ओर चलाओ. And next, in a downstairs teeth, we must brush like that way. You see on the screen when she in a position of the brush our teeth. The fourth one, नीचे के दांतों के भीतरी भाग में ब्रश की नीचे से ऊपर की ओर चलो. That means up and fro, to and fro like that, and up and down. You, for example, I told you brush our teeth up and down like that. You say and brush our teeth very nicely. The last one, दाढ़ पर ब्रश को आगे पीछे घुमाओ. I told you in a front and back like that. Now the next one, the last line. गुड्डी ने अपने दांतों के इलाज के बाद तय किया. After complete Gooddy's treatment, she get a decision in a very strict decision. रात में वह मीठा खाकर नहीं सोएगी. I didn't eat chocolate. Therefore, often if I ate, must I will brush my teeth. एंड सुबह के साथ साथ रात में भी हमेशा दांत साफ करेगी. एंड नाइट ऑल्सो आई विल मस्ट ब्रश माई टीथ. दिस डिसीजन टेक अ गुड्डी. बाप रे कितना दर्द सहना पड़ा. नाउ गुड्डी थॉट दैट सो वेरी पेन इन माई टीथ. सो गुड्डी after her teeth treatment, she take a decision. I will brush my teeth twice a day and not eat chocolate in the night time. So we too keep it in our mind. We also brush our teeth twice a day. And one more thing, we don't eat chocolate and sweets at night time. This is main thing. Then seek. मॉरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी. दांतों को स्वस्थ और चमकदार रखने के लिए हमें सुबह और रात दोनों समय दांतों में ब्रश करना चाहिए. व्हाट इज इट मीनिंग? फॉर हेल्थी एंड ब्राइट टीथ वी शुड ब्रश देम ट्वाइस डेली, in the morning and before going to bed. This is must. So we keep it, dear children, we keep it in our mind. Very carefully take care of your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. This is must. And one more thing, don't eat chocolate and ice cream, sweets and all. Whenever you ate that sweets and chocolates, after you brush your teeth, must. Now you see in our Sabdad. This is our classwork also, ma. You don't write this one because already I told in a previous video now. You just listen very carefully. I will give in a classwork PDF form in our Google Classroom app. You see the first one, लापरवाह. Dear children, this meaning अंग्रेजी अर्थ also in our book. So you read that one, that अंग्रेजी अर्थ also. लापरवाह, बेफिक्र, that means careless. फायदा, लाभ, that means benefit. उत्सुक, बेचैन, anxious. बहादुर, निडर, साहसी, brave, courageous. डॉक्टर, चिकित्सक, डॉक्टर meaning. साहस, हिम्मत, courage. तकलीफ, परेशानी, trouble. दर्द, पीड़ा, pain. निगाह, नजर, sight. I tell once again, ma. See, लापरवाह, बेफिक्र, that means careless. फायदा, लाभ, benefit. उत्सुक, बेचैन, anxious. बहादुर, निडर, साहसी. डॉक्टर, चिकित्सक, डॉक्टर. साहस, हिम्मत, courage. तकलीफ, परेशानी, trouble. दर्द, पीड़ा, pain. निगाह, nazar, sight. The next one, the second Roman letter is in our book, page number you see 63. You take a pencil and tick the sahi ya galat in your book. Just you do this one. Understand? Is it clear or not? Now you see that second Roman. दिए गए वाक्यों में सही या गलत का निशान लगाइए. The first one. गुड्डी सुबह और रात में भी ब्रश करती थी. In our lesson, Goody is the main character. That girl is brush her teeth twice a day. That subah and raat, day and night. Is it right or wrong? Wrong, because Goody brush her teeth only morning time. Here given day and night. So this is wrong. Second one, ma. गुड्डी के दांत में दर्द हो रहा था. गुड्डी has her pain in her teeth. This is right or wrong? Right. डॉक्टर ने गुड्डी को पढ़ने के लिए एक किताब दी थी. In the end of the lesson, after complete Goody's treatment, doctor give a book to Goody. Is it a correct answer? No, because doctor gave to her one a pamphlet, that is brush करने का सही तरीके. So किताब is the wrong answer. Again I read the same one. गुड्डी सुबह और रात में भी ब्रश करती थी. That is a गलत, wrong. गुड्डी के दांत में दर्द हो रहा था. That is right. सही. डॉक्टर ने गुड्डी को पढ़ने के लिए एक किताब भी दी. डॉक्टर gave to her one book. That is wrong because doctor gave to a pamphlet. You see the next Roman ma. See the same page in our book. 63. दिए गए शब्दों की सहायता से काली जगह भरिए. Helping words are given in our book in a corner of right side. You see the first one. गुड्डी को रात पर डैश के मारे नींद नहीं आई. At a night time, Goody didn't sleep because what is that reason? Because she had a pain in her teeth. Pain का अर्थ what? दर्द, chocolate, कुर्सी, चटपट. दर्द का अर्थ है pain. That is the correct answer for the first one. Second, अब मैं रात में भी ब्रश करूँगी और डैश भी नहीं खाऊंगी. After complete Goody's treatment, Goody decided what she decided. वह क्या तय किया तो वह रात में भी ब्रश करूंगी और चॉकलेट नहीं खाऊंगी. Here four answer is there. The first one answer already we wrote दर्द. In a remaining answer 3 झटपट, chocolate, कुर्सी. So which one is the correct answer? Chocolate. So chocolate भी नहीं खाऊंगी. तुम यहाँ आकर इस डैश पर बैठो. When Goody and her mother entered to the clinic after check to the Goodies, doctor told you sit on the chair, kursi. Where is that? Kursi? Yes, that is the third one answer. The next one, Goody ने मुख खोल दिया. Dash मुख खोल दिया. झटपट का अर्थ वेरी करे ब्रेवली सडनली. गुड्डी ने झटपट मुख खोल दिया. अगेन आई रीड द क्वेश्चन फिलअप्स. गुड्डी को रात भर डैश के मारे नींद नहीं आई. द आंसर इज दर्द के मारे नींद नहीं आई. अब सेकेंड वन माँ, अब मैं रात में भी ब्रश करूँगी और डैश भी नहीं खाऊंगी. चॉकलेट भी नहीं खाऊंगी. गुड्डी डिसाइडेड टू डिडंट ईट अ चॉकलेट एट नाइट टाइम. थर्ड वन, तुम यहाँ आकर इस डैश पर बैठो, कुर्सी पर बैठो. गुड्डी ने डैश मुँह खोल दिया. झटपट. द नेक्स्ट रोमन यू सी, सही उत्तर में निशान लगाइए. In our book, the page number 64. This Roman letter in our book, page number 64. This also you take a answer in a pencil. Sahi uttar mein nishan लगाइए. Tick the correct answer. The first one, Goody खाना नहीं खा पा रही थी क्योंकि Goody didn't eat her lunch because what is that reason? Because of the three answer is given. Which one is the correct answer? First you see, उसके दांत में दर्द था. She had a pain in her teeth. उसके पेट में दर्द था. She had a pain in her stomach. पेट का अर्थ stomach. उसे भूख नहीं थी. She didn't feel hungry. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, correct ma. You see on the screen the correct answer is given in a green letter and underlined. उसके दांत में दर्द था. She had a pain in her teeth. So that is the reason. That is the reason Goody didn't eat her lunch. The second one, Goody के दांत में दर्द क्यों हो रहा था? Why? What is the reason of germs and insects applied hollowed in Goody's teeth? What is that reason? Three answer is there.
दांत टूट जाने से, the teeth are broken. Second one, दांतों में कीड़े लग जाने, the germs and insects are hollowed in Goody's teeth, and चोट लग जाने से, and pain. Which one is the correct answer? The second one. You see, दांतों में कीड़े लग जाने से, because of that reason germs and insects are hollowed in Goody's teeth. Again I recall this one. सही उत्तर में निशान लगाइए. Take the correct answer. गुड्डी खाना नहीं खा पा रही थी क्योंकि उसके दांत में दर्द था. This is the correct answer. Second one, गुड्डी के दांत में दर्द क्यों हो रहा था? क्योंकि दांतों में कीड़े लग जाने से. Then last Roman letter question and answers. You see, नीचे लिखे प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. गुड्डी के दांतों में कीड़े कैसे लग गए? How Goody's teeth hollowed what germs and insects. गुड्डी ने रात को, what is the reason? That is the reason of गुड्डी ने रात को ब्रश नहीं करेगी और चॉकलेट खूब खाती है. The because of Goody didn't brush her teeth at night time. Not only that, she ate a chocolate very much and slept. This is the reason of Goody के दांतों में कीड़े. This is the reason of insects and germs hollowed in Goody's teeth. The second one, गुड्डी की क्या आदत बन गई थी? गुड्डी ने, what is the habit of गुड्डीज? गुड्डी ने रात को दांतों में ब्रश नहीं करने की आदत थी. This is the habit of goodies. What? She didn't brush her teeth at night time. Third one, गुड्डी ने अंत में क्या क्या किया? What happened in last finally what decision she made? गुड्डी ने तय किया कि वह रात में मीठा खाकर नहीं तो सोएगी और रात में भी दांत साफ करेगी. She take a decision, that is at night time didn't eat a chocolate and didn't eat a chocolate and slept. Also at night time also brush her teeth. This is the decision of goodies. Again I recall these three question and answers. गुड्डी के दांतों में कीड़े कैसे लग गए? गुड्डी ने रात को ब्रश नहीं करेंगी और चॉकलेट खूब खाती है. गुड्डी की क्या आदत बन गई थी? गुड्डी ने रात को दांतों में ब्रश नहीं करने की आदत थी. थर्ड वन, गुड्डी ने अंत में क्या तय किया? Ma, the question answer is क्या क्या is there ma? That question in our book C na correctly given. गुड्डी ने अंत में क्या तय किया? What is decision she made? गुड्डी ने तय किया कि वह रात में मीठा खाकर नहीं तो सोएगी और रात में भी दांत साफ करोगी. माँ, what you learn from this story? We are the very little children. You are a grown-up child. So we must follow this advice and you keep it in our mind. We must brush our teeth twice a day, and healthy and bright teeth, what we do? We should brush our teeth twice a daily in the morning and night before going to bed. So you take care of your teeth and don't eat chocolate and toffees or at night time, and sweets also, because why? These all are make germs and insects in our teeth. So you should follow this advice. So this is the moral of this story, and we learn from this story. We keep our teeth very carefully for healthy, that is brush our neatly. So we will do brush our teeth twice a day, morning and night, before going to bed. So dear children, I hope you understood this lesson.
Thank you, Ma. We will meet at next class. Thank you.